going through the Gorges de Furon, and we've come out of the sunshine and have suddenly plunged into a lot of shade, but it's quite dramatic. But I'd rather be in the sunshine, I think.
We will be soon.
Yeah.
That was a lovely stop we had at Lansford Course last night.
It was beautiful.
Sun came out this morning. People were going up onto the mountains with power of wings to whatever they do.
Throw themselves off.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's been a beautiful stop. There's a little market on Saturday morning as well. Everybody seems to be coming in to
get produce.
Yeah, all their fruit and veg and stuff. Sadly, we did it yesterday, so I was saying I feel a bit guilty not buying stuff from all these places that we go to. But there's only so much stuff you need, isn't there?
Only so much butter you can eat.
Yeah.
Not saying the same about cheese.
Oh well, yeah, there is that. We did see a sign that there was blue cheese up around here, but I haven't actually seen any for sale. So if I see a fromage stop, I've got to stop. We're just looking over the city of Grenoble.
It's a long way down.
It's a long way down through the trees. We've been a very long way up last night. I was expecting it to be absolutely freezing, but it wasn't.
That was about 9.
Yeah. We did have the heating on for a little while, but soon turned it off. Gets quite hot really quick. So, but yeah, it's not a bad morning.
Why?
Yeah. Well, that's a big change from yesterday.
Got our very last, it looks like our very last tight switchback coming up. Rolling downhill in 4th, about 45 mile an hour. Should take a lot.
Dog don't like it very much, do you?
But you just got to be ready to get your speed down.
Nice and steady.
Third. These tight ones. Second. They actually camber them into the side of the corner so you can get around them better. Maybe keeps the ice from forming so much.
Yeah, maybe.
But that's nice, isn't
It would be nice to show you the city of Grenoble, but you can't actually see it through the trees. But it is just down there.
Oh, I've got a gap coming up just a bit. You'll be able to see it very briefly on your side.
But the trees are beautiful colours this morning. Well, they've not just done it for me, I don't suppose. Here we go. Look at that. Lovely, isn't it, with the mountains?
I'm doing 40.
Look at this crazy dude on his bike. He must have gone all the way up to the top just to get that much speed up to come back down again.
Second exit.
Yeah, straight across the roundabout at 30 mile an hour. It's much quicker than me going around there.
They do like their bikes around here, don't they?
Through the France country.
Yeah.
Wales.
We've been travelling down through the Alps today. We're now looking out over a massive valley. It's been a beautiful drive, hasn't it?
It has, yeah. Sunny.
Yeah.
Small villages.
Been a lovely day, both in t-shirts.
Yeah. One little bit of drama when we came out the supermarket.
Yeah.
And there was a 2.5 metre bridge in front of us. But we got round it. We had to reverse and hold the Frenchies up, and
they were very pleasant.
they were very pleasant.
Yeah. I think we're not the only people to have ever done that.
There were no signs as you come out of the car park to say don't turn right, it's 2.5 metres.
Yeah, you turn right, it goes down, and that was it. So yeah, that was a bit dramatic.
17 miles to go. So
We're not
shouldn't be
start
too long.
singing. Yeah, just pass through like lots of little villages along the way. Some of them with massive speed bumps in, and but then other times we're on really quite major roads like this. So we're up on a viaduct. I don't know if you can see. I wouldn't fancy having that house underneath. So I'm sure we'll catch up when we stop.
Yeah.
So we're just entering the village of Conliege. This is our stop for the night. Been quite a long day of driving, hasn't it? Well, says me, I don't do any.
Turn right.
It's been
turn
alright.
right.
It's just it's not about distance. It's about time round here.
Yeah. See all the old buildings down here.
After 100 yards, turn right. Route to Sochwa. Then you have reached your destination. Turn right. Then you have reached your destination. You have reached your destination. Route to Sochwa.
It's like a little magical mystery tour every time we come into one of these. There's the service point. There.
Okay. Right.
Ah, there's a car park.
You alright?
There's a car park.